The best part of Kyle Cheney's political reporting this morning that over 300 federal district court judges, including 33 appointed by Donald Trump, have rejected the Trump administration's attempt to detain people, essentially keep them in jail during the pendency of their deportation or migration hearings. And here's the thing, it's against our immigration and nationality laws. For those of you who follow me, I'm JJ Legal. I'm in the dockets. I monitor the cases filed by the Trump administration and those challenging the Trump administration actions. One thing I've told you over and over again is the immigration law is not criminal. It's a civil infraction. Unless someone comes back after they deported, that's criminal. Or if someone creates a criminal like infraction, assault or robbery, and they're also a migrant, that's criminal. The nature of just being in the United States without documentation, entering without documentation, overstaying visa is civil. And here's the thing is that we do not lock people up because it's a civil infraction. So what normally happens, unless you came in from the border, is within 14 days, then they can kind of detain you before they remove you. But for most people who've come in and perhaps they asylum themselves, say asylum law, or they're claiming a refugee, they entered unlawfully, but at some point they go to the courts and the courts give them a document, gives them a work permit, and they start working. And while they're waiting for the process of their asylum or refugee application to go through, they usually are free. We don't detain them. And during the course of this, people live their lives. They start contributing to our Social Security. They start contributing to taxes. They start businesses. They employ Americans. They are neighbors. And we're fine with them, and they're doing nothing. Or a child was found trafficked, and our laws say we're going to protect those child trafficked kids, and they find a home for them, and they're going to school. All these people are comfortable living their lives. And the Trump administration says, I'm going to take them and deport those people who live in comfortably, who are doing absolutely nothing. In the meantime, while they're doing that, there are real criminals that Donald Trump's even pardoning or running amok, actually committing crimes, trafficking kids, white collar criminals, all sorts of crime. Department of Justice, FBI is doing nothing but immigration, nothing but extracting people who are contributing to society, doing absolutely nothing but living their lives, just existing, just criminalizing existence of human beings living comfortably while they let actual criminals run through. So the importance of these judges saying, you cannot do this. Our immigration laws say if these people are here lawfully, there's no threat for them leaving. They've been here, they have established roots. Why the frick are you detaining them? So that's really great, that the fact that these judges are saying that the administration's approach is essentially violates to say all non-citizens who entered have to remain detained. And the law says for what reason? None. And so I just love the fact that these judges, it also this goes back to people who say that there's no accountability. No one's holding them accountable for the actions. Yes, because when a judge says release these people go home. That's accountability. JJ Lee, each one teacher will share this video.